got this can of high heat, and basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna juggle this for a minute. Just kidding. What we're gonna do is we're gonna slap this high heat paint to this muffler, as you can see over here. So the other day I was able to install this exhaust finisher. Take a look. The DC Sports. Not too sure which one it is. I just know it's a stainless steel one. I don't know if it's T304, maybe not. It's just a regular, like, this one's a Walker. I picked it up at what was it, Napa. Napa know-how, right? I had just bought this car. The things just started like breaking. Stuff just started falling apart. The distributor went like first week, and then I'm trying to think here. Not long after I was driving it around, the exhaust just got loud. Whoa, it was doing that. It was a muffler. Split right at the flange. That flange right there, if you see the weld, which is like right, let me just bring a little closer. See where it's silver and see where it's brown? Like right over there, the weld broke. The weld broke, and the muffler was just hanging. It just split right at the weld. Not even the bolts. The bolts were fine. I did have to hit him with the PB Blaster just to like loosen them up so I could take them off. And I was like, how much is it with my discount? They're all regular price, 120, your discount 80. I'm like, you have it? And he's like, yeah, I got one left. And I'm like, don't really want to do it, but my car kind of has a busted muffler, so I was like, all right, let me get it. I took it over to my warehouse. The mission for today is to get that thing painted black. Good old Rust-Oleum. I didn't even pick this up at an auto store. I picked this up at Home Depot because I was just like, where is it cheaper? AutoZone's far, and Home Depot's right down the road. I could have gone to Harbor Freight, but sometimes Harbor Freight's tricky. It's like you think that Harbor Freight stuff's always going to be the lowest cost, but it's not. Home Depot, because that's where I picked up the paint for the valve cover on this car anyways, because it's high heat. But the high heat stuff I picked up for the valve cover was for like barbecue grills. And so I'm going to go ahead and shake Sonora. I'm shaking my camera just to enjoy the view of that muffler right there. I'm going to do this. Chrome exhaust finisher. You know, bare metal muffler. So I'm trying to get that to be like similar to these colors. Well, not faded plastic, but I just want to have it like blacked out. And I will return. So we've done taping off the exhaust finisher. We can see that's the extent of my work. I know, real quality stuff right there. Stuff is it's basically, you guys probably can't see any of this, sorry about that. I'm not doing too good with the filmography stuff right here, but we have my flashlight to show you progress. Sort of like not really good lighting right now, but that's the underside of it. That's one coat. I was able to spray around that area over there in the back with the hooks. Got the very back of the muffler right there. And the next thing we want to tackle is the driver's side of it. You can see right there, that stuff's pretty much untouched. Just we have to give this a couple coats. It's not just like a one and done type of deal. That's pretty much going to be the task after that. And I mean, like, I'm lucky because right now, temperature wise, it feels like it's near 50. A minute or two, then we're going to hit the other side. So let's get on over and do that. Huffing and puffing over here, super out of shape. Where we at? Because we're going to hit the left side. Let's probably hit the back. We're going to hit the back. Hit the back. Hey. You know what this actually reminds me of? This actually reminds me of the Vibrant tuning mufflers, or the Vibrant, I'm not even sure. The Honda people know out there, but that are already sort of like matte black, is that what this is? Flat black. Alright, so I was close. I think you're supposed to, got all the way back to the flange over there. And if you look, like the muffler pipe itself coming from the rear, right? See? It's a little bit rusty, but thankfully it's not damaged at all. But that's it right there, folks. So I'm gonna give this probably another 2 coats. I don't think it would be a problem. I'll give it like another coat in like another 5 minutes. That right there was the paint, the muffler. It sort of got me thinking maybe I should have gotten the black muffler tip. Nah, I think it's nicer to have the I think it's cooler to have the chrome exhaust tip. Yeah, chrome, black, chrome, black. I think it's gonna have a nice look to it. It's gonna sort of have like that. If you remember the Pace Setter exhaust from back in the day, they had like the prancing horses logo on them and stuff, and then they were like a matte black like painted muffler, so they were pretty cool. You can still get Pace Setter exhaust today, like they're still around. Look at that. That's the back. This is terrible. Oh man, is that a dent? I don't know. Yeah, it looks mostly good. Got all the way to the top and the back. It's still a little bit wet down there, so yeah, like I said, I'm gonna let this dry for a little. I'm gonna slap it a couple more times with some more paint. Probably by the time the sun goes down, yeah, we'll be shaking and baking. Progress for now. I got a black muffler. Now we're adding more character and style. If you guys made it this far, I really hope you take the time out and check out the other videos that I have on the channel. Right now I've only got a few, but trust me, I'm working on it. I'm trying to create more and more content to sort of motivate you to try and do your own thing. The only thing that can stop you from doing the things that you want to do is yourself. This is just me messing around with my own car. A 2001 Honda CR-V LX Suzuka built 4-wheel drive. I know the 4-wheel drive drivetrain's like a big thing nowadays. I think I need one of these. Oh no, the damper looks like it's still good. Mount looks like it's still good. It does look wet. Uh-oh. Leaking. Blah. Still a little bit wet. While we're waiting for that to dry, I was thinking about doing a review of the car, but one thing that I do need to focus on with the car is the headlights are kind of hazy right now. If you could take a look at them, see, got the haze going on. I did slap these with the plastics headlight restore, and that stuff's good. It's probably good for like 3-4 months at most, because I mean these are plastic headlights. Plastic, you know, buggo. But yeah, these are plastic headlights. So I mean, the clarity does come back when you use the plastics. It's gonna wear off because it's sort of just like a coating that goes on there and restores it. And another thing is the fender that I painted, I guess, didn't come out the way I wanted it to, and they didn't lay down enough coats of paint, so I'm sort of getting this problem right here, chipping. You know, it's like I wet sanded it down to the wet sanded down to the primer, which is bad. Bonding primer, which is some strange primer I never heard of. I just picked it up because that's what they had store. You got front and then driver's side door. See, it's like brighter and lighter. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe for more. It's been a couple minutes. We let the paint dry a little bit, and what we're gonna do is we are gonna unwrap the exhaust finisher. Alright, let's see here. Fancy. I know, what a choice of tape to use, right? Duct tape. Hey, that's what I had. Ta-da! Got the exhaust finisher right there. That leads to the muffler right there. All blacked out. That's the progress for today. That's So I actually have to revisit this later on. What time is it now? It's like 6:56. So in about an hour, I actually have to come back out here and start the car. And then just, I know I can't stop oozing over this thing, or gushing over it, whatever it's called. The muffler's all blacked out. Exhaust tip is like untouched. And it just looks, to me it looks fresh. So what we got right here is our microfiber and some plastics, because we gotta hit the headlights with some of that because it's getting kind of foggy. You'll see in a little bit the headlights are not like shining like they were before. Outside, walking outside, you can see the headlights, right? You can see them, but I'm not too sure if my camera can pick this up. Like, they are sort of hazy. So it's not that headlights are not bright. They're bright for sure, but it's just the headlights themselves are hazy. Like, let's see what we got here. I'm just using a regular microfiber, you know, nothing crazy. It's a regular microfiber. Trying to get the top of it too, you know. It would be nice if I could get like the it would be nice if I can get the grill to come off. I can. I just sort of don't feel like doing that right now. I just want to, from here I think you want to just let it like haze and stuff for like a little bit, and then you want to get back to it. So you're gonna let that haze for a little bit, and then we're gonna slap this off with the other side of the rag, you know. So that one application alone, it's already making it nice and bright. You know, it's removed quite a bit of the cloudiness that the headlights had before that. Try and grab the dry side of this microfiber. It's just the little things, you know. I'll take this camera off right here, and you can see the clarity that this headlight has. One shot. That's all it takes, just one shot. Much better, much better. This sort of has like not oxidation, but probably just damage from rock chips and stuff from time. It's looking right compared to driver's side. I don't know if this thing picks it up too good, but it's pretty hazy. Driver's side, passenger side. See that? It's like a. So I think it's good to do this like probably maybe once a month, you know, just to sort of keep it looking good. Nice and easy. Oh man, what a difference. Bam. You can already see how clear that. You can see the difference in clarity because you can see all the way through the lens to the inside of the headlight housing. You see that? You couldn't see this distance here to here. You know, it wasn't that clear, but now it's real clear. So that right there is the driver's side. Nice, nice, nice. Nice right here is the passenger side. Super clear.